slow down. Watch the road.
Hey, stop talking. I'm driving here.
Ease off the gas. The tail's gonna swing out.
What do you know? It's supposed to drift.
Wait. You braked too early.
Stop talking. You're messing with my focus. See? It's your fault. They're catching up.
To drive this nice car so poorly, it's real effort.
Sean, should I pass him? He's clearly all talk.
No rush. Let's wait.
All right.
Told you he couldn't catch me. He can't pass me.
He's not even trying. Can't you tell?
No way. This is a race. You think this is a game?
How is he driving? Such an amateur move, and he had the nerve to boast.
He really is a rookie.
Sean, let me pass him.
No need. He can stop it.
Don't turn the wheel so hard. The car's going sideways.
What do you know? Drifting means going sideways.
Not like that. Hey, sharp turn ahead. Sharp turn. Brake.
I know.
Perfect drift. What a perfect turn.
Whoa, what just happened? He was about to crash.
What's going on? Perfect drift. That move was flawless.
Now, brake.
Drive properly. This guy's not simple.
Look how scared that guy is. I thought he had some skill. That corner just now was probably just a fluke to keep him from panicking.
You're not the Phantom Racer, are you? No way you're the Phantom Racer. But with those random moves, you actually saved it. Good job, man. You've got talent. Listen, from now on, I'll teach you to drive.
Ryan, why are you back so late? Your dad wanted these parts up the mountain by 4.
By 4? It's 3:44 already. 16 minutes left. Is he the Phantom Racer or what?
Enough talk. Let's go.
Hey! Whose car is this? Haven't seen you drive it. But it looks somewhat familiar.
Why are you getting in?
I said I'd teach you racing. Release the handbrake, clutch in, let's go.
Impossible. No one could pull off such a perfect drift. Must have been a lucky panic move. Report traffic. I'll practice more. The top one here will be mine.
Yeah.
I've been going crazy lately. I've been getting busy now. I'm up and so I see too many friendlies and she said it.
Sharp turn ahead! You can't floor it like that! We'll flip! Ah! No one drives like this!
Stop talking. I must be there by 4.
Huh?
Sean, a car just went up. Pretty fast, too. Looks like an Evo.
A beat up delivery Evo? Why mention that? He's so far behind he won't see Sean's dust.
What? That's Sean ahead! You trying to pass him?
How's my speed now?
Sean, we've matched Hannah's time. Through the next crucial hairpin turns, if your speed beats Hannah's, you'll be the new Speed King.
Hey, that old delivery truck is still following him.
Just a beat up Mitsubishi. Why even bother with him? Sean will be the new legend. That guy behind us is nowhere close.
Whoa! Here he comes! Sean's almost at the finish!
His speed has passed Vanguard captains. After this turn, Sean will break the record.
He's here! He's here!
Sean!
Sean!
Click the link to watch the full series.